Like, I ain't even trying to sound funny, but I would rate this.
Yeah, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kvng back here with another banger. Today, we got a cat. Nah, I'm just playing. But, nah, as y'all can see by the title, it is a start to a new journey. You know, I know I've been gone for like a month, but I've been working, going to school, and I finally got the little piece I need. Well, multiple pieces I needed so that I can get back to this content stuff. Boy, we got new equipment. We got some collabs coming up, more opportunities. Yeah, I got that fire now, you know what I'm saying? Basically, this like a little review over everything that I got. Title of the video, basically new camera equipment, new camera. Got the Sony ZV-1, the whole kit. So we actually about to see if this is actually worth your money, because I seen a lot of good reviews, and then after I bought it, I seen some bad reviews. So I'm like, you know what I'm saying, biting my nails trying to see, you know what I'm saying, that I just waste my money. But hey, we got receipts for a reason, goddamn it. Hold on. Hold on. And I'm gonna link everything that I got. If y'all check the description, just in case y'all want like the same or similar setup. You got a nice little goodie bag. Alright, hold on. Damn, I thought that was a roach. Alright, hold on. Look at that right there. Boy, hold on. Double warranty. Okay. Gave me a little warranty sticker right there. Definitely finna hit that up. A hand grip stabilized tripod. That mother look like a pistol. Like I seen somebody on a picture when I ordered it, and they was holding it. It looked like a pistol grip. Then we got an LED light, so we can, nigga, if we want to go tangerine or we want to go aqua. We want to go orange or blue, or what is that, a white light? We got options, bro. Definitely needed this. It's the mic for it, and I think it actually has a mic built in. So I got an external mic, the little furry joint right there. So I got an external and another mic that it came with. Okay, it don't stink. It don't stink. Okay. Another SD pack. Photo and video bundle. It's some type of code it gave me to. I can't show y'all that, but when I get into it, I'll let y'all know. Then we a digital wide violet filter. Okay, so we got a filter for the lens. Okay, hold on. I think it's a charger. HDMI charger, 6 foot. Okay, hold on, wait. This another lens. I don't know. We got a little thank you thing, but it go on the thing. You feel me? This thing right here going on the eyeball thing. Yeah, shut up. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Got a little cleaning rag. A flash drive, little USB joint. Nah, it's a card reader. A little lanyard, little gimbal joint. Nice little bag to carry. More things that came with. We got this personal video stabilizer handle. So okay. So it's like for them low shots. Like we really out here recording them things, but we is recording them things. You know what I'm saying? Dang it, things. But okay, I really did need this. Like, I ain't gonna lie, this and the camera was the two major things I was really excited for. Like my tripod, it worked, but I had to put super glue on it because I accidentally broke one of the legs. Let's see how tall it get. Hold on. So it's about, I say about 4 foot, maybe. It's like neck length, so it's alright. It's cool. We probably gonna get a taller one, but this would be cool for like desk videos. Like, so far everything look clean. I'm low-key just a little worried about the camera now, because so far, like with this tripod, it's fine. It's just I thought it would be like more like heavy duty. I was looking at the color though. I ain't gonna lie, because I got this one that I had thrifted, and it's like that shit heavy. So I low key thought it was the same. Got the Sony ZV-1F Mark One. I was thinking about the Mark II, but I'm like, bro, I need something to start with, and if I can get a bundle with it, why not just, you know what I'm saying? What the hell? I'm kind of scared to touch it because I don't want it to break. But this shit look flat unless this shit like stick to the top. Okay, don't stink, don't stink. Okay, damn shorty. Okay, hold on, wait a minute. So it's on there, but I'm telling you, bro, this is supposed to lift up unless. Oh, I was just mad at. Okay, hold up. Is it? Hold on. I don't think it got the battery in it. Nope. Okay, I got another charger. And this is the battery right here. Yeah. I'm so glad, like, this is like dead ass pocket size. Like, yeah, it's light. It's, bro, hold on. Yeah, like, it's cool. And it's like hella light, bro. So far, they doing their thing. Oh shit, and I can connect it to my phone. Okay. I got y'all. I might do the review like after I set everything up, but I'm gonna just switch to the other camera. That's what I'm gonna do. All right. If it look different and I look different, it's like a day later. All right, y'all. So you know what I'm saying? This is the this is the camera without no mic on it. So I'm really just trying to see how well the audio is. I'm hoping it's a lot better than my first camera, but they advertised it, bro. So I'm gonna give y'all an honest review. This one got no mic on it. Matter of fact, I'm finna put this little rat on there. Alright, so we finna see how the regular mic is, cause like high key I don't want to use mics for all my content, but we gonna see if they doing their thing on this one. Yeah, so I'm across the room. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I really hope y'all can hear me really well. But like I said, I'm across the room, and yeah. On that one paper that I had, let me actually go grab it. So they sent me this video and photo bundle. So it's a code that I can type into my computer. So I guess it's like editing software, or I don't know. Am I recording? Cool. But it's a 1-year license, whatever that means. But yeah, I'm gonna link the camera and all the equipment I got down below in the description. So if I was to rate this, like, I ain't even trying to sound funny, but I would rate this. Probably a 9, cause everything in it was good except for the tripod. Just cause it's short, like it'll do the job, but I'm taller than it. You feel me? I'm not gonna bash it, but I give it a 9. Like, I definitely would cop again. They also have a I think a Mark II. They got like a bunch of these, like, that come with the whole recording kit, and I definitely would recommend y'all get it. Like, I seen some negative reviews on it, and I was like, damn, like, I think I paid five for it, and like, I'm satisfied. Like, bro, this camera by itself is like, I think 500 flat, but I got everything to come with it, so I was just like, I can't miss it. I think I maybe paid an extra 100 for it. This what I got, but everything linked down below. So if y'all want it, go get it. I recommend it. Make sure y'all follow my social medias, bro. Like my Instagram. I got 2 Instagram, but I mainly be on this one. But y'all can also go follow this one. I'm gonna be more active. I kind of want to see. Damn it, I'm gonna be on both of them. Follow my Snapchat for explicit content. Nah, not like that, you nasty litter bug. I'm talking about
like just the stuff that I don't bring to my channel. So and also follow my TikTok. I don't know how long that's gonna be up, but if you got TikTok, hit the TikTok. But with that being said, I love y'all. It's your favorite
Your favorite YouTuber?
Goddamn. It's your favorite green haired weirdo, and I'ma see y'all in the next video.